Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing Indira by Outre. Welcome back. All right, so today I'm going to be reviewing Indira by Outre. I got her because she's pretty, and she's in a special color that I have not tried. All right, so she is in the, hang on, let me get her out of the box first. I always struggle with that. All right, so she's a pretty color. I am kind of excited about it because it's a little bit red for me. My mom has red hair, so we are going to see how Indira fits. She's a lace front wig. Listen to me just tossing my stuff on the floor like a crazy person. Oh, she's soft. Uh-oh, you guys. She is soft. Really, really soft. I already love the feel of her. Like, I hope she's a great wig for me because soft. Okay. I am really excited about, oh, I can't get this. I am really excited to see how she looks now. I hope really good because she's so soft. Oh, word. Look at that color. It is 2T350 99J. I do not have a 99J in my collection, and I wanted to get something that was kind of special, and so I think I did. Anyway, so here is the stock card. Oh, ring light. Okay, so there she is. She does have the heat text fiber, so she is heat styling safe up to 400 degrees, but be careful because once you straighten it, there's no more curl. So if you're just laying down the part or whatever, you're going to be fine. But if it's more than that, she is also a Swiss lace L parting. All right. Anyway, that's it. I'm going to move on. Let's see the parting space. Oh, that's not bad. Oh, okay. Yeah. All right. Now she does have darker lace. So if you have a little more melanin in your skin, you're going to really like that. I'm a little bit lighter, so might have to lighten this girl up a bit. But let's just look at her cap construction so I can get her on and see what she does. Okay, so she does have two combs in the front. She has a comb in the back. And for the first time today, these are hooked. She has, I batch record, so she has adjustable straps. Yay! So anyway, I usually do 2 or 3 wigs at a time. Today I've done a lot. I'm gearing up for surgery and I'm not going to be able to wear wigs for a hot minute. So I want to make sure that I'm putting out content every Wednesday, even though I'll be probably sitting on the couch watching TV or Minecrafting, because I do that too. All right, so let's get her on. Let's see what she does. All right, you guys. Oh, okay. Okay. Now I have a tiny little forehead, so I gotta pull her down a little bit. Oh my gosh, that color and those curls. Look at it. Look at her. Oh, she's a her. Look at her. Oh my gosh, you guys, can you see that color? I don't know if you can. I hope it's showing up on camera. Yeah, let's see that parting space. Yeah, it's a little dark. on me, but I can probably lighten that up with some foundation, some lighter foundation. Maybe my winter foundation would help. I'm still wearing my dark stuff. So she has a little bit. She goes down just a little bit in the front, like a tiny little widow's peak in there. Well, she's straight across. Maybe I'm seeing my own underneath it. But, all right, I'm going to cut the lace, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got the lace cut. There wasn't a whole lot to take off. She does look a little wiggy on camera, less so in person. A little bit. This part right here is so straight across, but it didn't claim to be anything but that. It just claimed that it's a lace front wig. So, yeah, she's pretty. All I did was finger comb these curls. You don't want to brush these. Nope. You want to shake this one and finger comb her, and then maybe set this. Like I would heat seal right here. Okay, I would pluck the part a little bit, figure out where exactly it ends and the back tracks begin, and probably just run a curling edge. She's shedding, and then just run a curling rod or one of those curling rods or curling iron just over the top of it to just kind of lay it flatter. It is. She's a little humpy. Yeah, she's got some hump action going on. But, it's Wednesday, so we have a little hump action going on. So, yeah. I think the color is beautiful. And I don't know that yeah, I think you can see the color. It's really pretty. Again, let's see. How low does she come on me? All right. Oh, okay. So if she's, oh my gosh, she's shedding everywhere, you guys. All right. If you don't pull her straight, she's there. If you pull her straight, she's showing my belly fat. I want to show my belly fat. So don't pull her straight. How about that? All right. So, no, she's not. She is coming off way shinier on camera than she is in person. A lot. The red highlights, or I don't know what those are, 350s, I think. The red highlights are so darn pretty in person. Like they would pick up the sun. You'd be glinting off the sun. It'd be like beautiful. Anyway, yeah. Oh, you guys, this is a really pretty wig. Really pretty. She's a shedder. She's shedding everywhere. Like this is just, can you see that? No, you can't. Yeah, that came off after I went through her, after I cut the lace. So she might be a shedder, but she's got those red colors in there. Those are going to shed. They just are. And she's long. So anyway, do I like her? Yes, I do. I really, really like this wig. I know she looks a little wiggy. Again, less so, I think, in person. I think you have to heat her down on your head where you want her and mold her to your head. I think that you have to find where the back of this parting is, mold that down. And I would not do anything with the curls. They're so pretty and luscious. And she's soft. Oh my goodness, how soft she is. All right, so, yeah, this girl is pretty awesome. I would recommend her. All right, I got her from So Good Baby. I'll put the link down below. If there is a wig you would like me to review, please place a comment in the comment section and I will see what I can do. Okay? Okay, give me a thumbs up down there too. And if you'd like to be notified when I post videos, click the subscribe button and then the notification bell will pop down. That way you will never miss a video when I upload. All right? Okay. Until next time, love you guys. Bye.